Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of TCW TV. Sorry it's been a while since we've posted a video. Things have been absolutely manic and crazy. We've just come out of lockdown, so we're just getting all the businesses back up and running again and trying to get back to some normality, whatever normality is nowadays. Things looking good though. We've obviously got current businesses that we're starting to get trading again, and we've actually got some new businesses that we're opening up post lockdown, so that'll be interesting to see. We are going to be doing some videos on this stuff at a later date, so you guys that are interested in business and open up businesses and whether you should maybe open up business in these time frames. Again, I don't know the answer to these questions, but it's a process that I'm going through, so if you want to learn from that, we'll cover that in future videos. So again, it's good to be back. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but it has been absolutely manic and crazy, as I'm sure it has been for a lot of you guys out there, just in life after this lockdown and COVID-19 stuff. But besides all that, we just got a phone call this morning from Williams Manchester. I am very excited. Finally, the Mini GP3 has arrived. I've been on that list waiting for that for probably a good part of a year, 2 years now. I'm very excited. It's my first Mini I've ever had. It's a very iconic car. It's the GP series, so I'm excited about getting that. So this afternoon, we're going to go down to Mini Williams Manchester and actually pick up that Mini. So the day is finally here. We're down at Williams Manchester to pick up the Mini GP3. Looking beautiful. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so let's take a look at this bad boy then. Here it is, the Mini GP3. One of 3,000 cars that have been made. This is issue, this is number 2164. Nice little touch there from Mini. You've got all the GP branding throughout. You've got this epic, amazing wing on the back. There's mixed reviews on this. I think it looks amazing. You've got the standard flag in the lights, which I think looks great. And I'm hoping this bad boy is going to make some noise. We'll soon find out. I do think it is a stunning car. I can't wait to drive it. Let's take a look inside. So we've got all the GP branding throughout again. And then we've got the number again, so as you can see, one of 3,000, 2,164. All the seats have been stripped out. This is kind of prepped for a track car. I know the light's not very good in here, but you can see the crossbar there. Yeah, beautiful. Let's take it for a drive.